Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio. My name is Max and today I've got a green transporter behind me. I like the colour on this thing, there it is. Let me know in the comments if you know what colour it is. Very nicely spec'd vehicle, now coming with a suitable radio inside it. So let's just hop into the interior and I'll give you a little quick run through it. Right, we're inside. We always like to put a bit of a logo on our units. Sorry, a bit of glare on the screen there, but we have a VW logo as you boot it up. We have factory steering wheel controls working. We have DAB retained through the factory aerial, and we also retain park pilot features, so when this customer is reversing and navigating around, when I've got the doors closed, this customer, sorry about that, will get the parking sensor information. So as they reverse around the front and around the back, it will bring up the parking sensor information to let them know if there's anything nearby. So that would have come on the factory unit, and that's how it looks on the new Kenwood unit. So as you can see, my phone's already hooked up to it. This unit's got Apple CarPlay, which works wirelessly, so there's no faffing about with cables on this system. It's a very nice, easy to use, capacitive touchscreen. Sorry, the screen, there's a lot of light in this workshop and it's a bit of a struggle to pick it up, but it looks pretty perfect. This system here also features things like HDMI and HDMI, so you can stick a Fire Stick in the glove box to run through it, which is a great feature. Also, we've actually added a little USB. The factory USB was here before, has now been converted to USB-C, so the customer can basically plug in newer style iPhone leads. Unit also comes with a little adapter so that if they want to plug in a normal lead, they can use that as well. But just a brief look around the head unit. This is the home screen. The DAB looks a little bit like this. As I said, it retains the factory aerial. You can go into DAB channels, choose which DAB station you want to listen to, select it like so. Presets are down the side, so you can pick up to 15, slide that over, and to save it in, you just hold it down for a second. So that's how easy it is to save a DAB channel. Buttons along the bottom are pretty nice, colour to match them, red to match the other red inside the interior. But you've got a volume control here, attenuation for muting it down quickly, home takes you to menu, menu allows you to adjust some of the settings, and you've got an app switching button and also a camera button on the end if you wanted to add a reverse camera. So we can add reverse cameras to these cars, so if you're interested in adding a reverse camera to your VW, then please get in contact. That's all from this super quick video. Sorry, it seems to be a bit bright this video, not sure why. Thanks for watching. If you've got a vehicle you want upgraded to Apple CarPlay or reverse camera or an audio upgrade, please get in contact with us at John Kleis. Thanks for watching, take care and goodbye.